Just 17 minutes ago, a 4.2 magnitude earthquake struck near Temecula, Riverside County, California, USA. The tremor was recorded early evening on Friday, March 31, 2023, at 6:16 p.m. local time, at a shallow depth of 9 miles below the surface. The event was filed by the United States Geological Survey, the first seismological agency to report it. A second report was later issued by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, which listed it as a magnitude 4.8 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the Citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 4.2, and the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, at magnitude 4.2.